yung sa listahan natin dun sa MC Taxi, supposed to be meron tayong cap bawat ano eh. Bakit umabot ng 140,000 ng ano?
Chairman, just to put on record, we circulated a latest
Yes.
spread.
Aha.
Yesterday, dahil nga ho, hilong-hilo na ho yung departamento kung aling listahan ang gagamitin. Ang nangyayari, pag nag-payout kami, may susulpot, galit sa amin, wala sa listahan. Together with the LTFRB, we created a data center in DSWD. We've gone beyond our mandate, actually, Mr. Chairman. The department just wanted to be proactive about it. Lahat ng TNC, close to 160 of them, would come to the department yesterday together with their complete submission at ibabangga namin doon sa paid. Whoever is not paid, yan yung pwede pang i-pay out. Mr. Chairman, just for the record, I don't know the others' answer, but sa TNVS, the total na sinubmit, ito yung four-wheel, is 185,305. Sa MC Taxi, 293,520.
MC Taxi, 290.
Yes, 293,520. This is actual na po to.
Okay, but supposed to be ang MC Taxi yung sa 60 may cap sila eh. 78,000 ang cap lang dapat eh.
Chair,
Anyway,
I leave that to the committee, but Mr. Chair, what we just to end, we will submit within the day the disaggregate nito based on submissions per company per TNVS. Kasi right now we're in possession of that and we can let the committee decide what to do with it. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Sec, if I may ask again, what was the process ba? You inform yung mga riding up, yung mga association na they're eligible to submit their names, ganun ba? Or you just publish lahat ng drivers, everything they can claim? How was the process ba?
Mr. Chairman, for the tricycle drivers, we worked with the LGUs.
Okay, yeah,
mas madali ho yun ma-isolate. For the jeepney drivers, dalawang source namin, LGUs and LTFRB. Admittedly, meron pa rin mga nawawala sa listahan doon. And kami, again, let me just state it, Mr. Chairman, we're getting the grunt of it on the ground, yung mga social workers namin. Yet
you know, ako, I'm a first-hand experience yan. Naawa ko sa ating mga social workers.
Mr. Chair, again, let me just point out, we're only as good as the list given to us. Kung ano yung binigay na listahan, ganun lang kami mag-pay out. Now, Mr. Chair, let me lump this together, yung MC Taxi, yung service delivery, at yung TNVS. Ang naging proseso nung una, we all spoke to the TNC to submit to LTFRB and DICT their list. From there, LTFRB and DICT will certify and give to DSWD and do the payout. Hindi na kami nagtatanong dyan except we try to look for duplicates. Ang nangyari ho, and napapaulit naman sa balita, pagdating namin sa payout na 22,000 lang na sa listahan, mas maraming nagagalit sa amin na wala sa listahan. So nagtataka kami, bakit?